Namaste, welcome. A lower back pain that branches through the hips and down towards your leg is called sciatica. The sciatic nerve is the longest nerve in the human body. Yoga can prevent, soothe, and even heal sciatica. So let's start by laying down on your yoga mat on your back and keep your knees bent. The feet are on the ground and you're gonna pull your belly button towards your spine and just pull your lower back towards the ground and then gently release. And you're doing a small pelvic tilt and you might not even feel, you might feel it. So you pull your back towards the ground so that your whole back is on the ground. And then you release and you are now able to put your hand under your back and just do it a few times. It's a gentle pelvic tilt. Just notice how this feels. One more time and then release. And now, keeping your lower back on the ground, you're gonna gently lift your right leg up and then place it back down. And then lift your left leg off the ground and take it back down. And just slowly, one leg and then the other. And don't try to raise it high. Just raise it until your lower back stays on the ground. And you really need to engage your core to be able to do that. One more time and then slowly release. And then you're gonna straighten your right leg out and do the same by pulling your belly button in and lifting your right leg off the ground until you can keep your lower back on the ground. And then slowly bring it back down. And these are like slow, gentle movements that are engaging your core. And you don't have to lift your leg up high. Just be mindful of the movements. One more time. And then you're gonna place your the sole of the feet on the ground, and you're gonna straighten your left leg and slowly engaging your core by pulling your belly button in. You're gonna lift your left leg off the ground and then slowly place it back down. And do this at your own pace. And if you feel that your core is engaged and you can lift your leg higher, then feel free to do so. Just be mindful of the area of the movement. And just keep your awareness with your movement. You really need to concentrate to do this. One more time. And then slowly release, place it back down. And you're gonna place the sole of your feet on the ground and bring your knees hip distance apart and the palms are on the ground next to your torso. And slowly you're gonna lift your hips and pelvis up by doing a small bridge and then place it back down. And every time when you exhale, lift your pelvis a little bit higher than last time. And yet again, engage your core. Your neck is long. And don't let your knees fall to the sides. And if you found the fullest expression of this pose, feel free to stay here. But if you are on your period, then please continue by the version when you bring your pelvis down and then up. But if you're not on your period, then feel free to hold it for a few breaths. And then slowly bring it back down. Now bring your right ankle on your left knee and flex your right foot. And this is a great stretch. And if you think that you want to take it further, then clasp your fingers under your left knee. And you might even pull your knee closer to your chest, and you will feel this stretch on your right buttock and thighs. And just hold this for a few breaths. And if you feel tension, then imagine that you're inhaling into the area of your body where the tension is. And on your exhale, you're releasing everything. And releasing the tension with your exhale. And then slowly release and bring the sole of the feet back on the ground, and you're gonna place your left ankle on your right knee and flex your left foot. And then slowly, if you want more of a stretch, clasp your fingers behind your right knee, and you might even pull it closer to your chest and just breathe. Become aware of the feelings, sensations. And then slowly release everything and bring it back down. Thank you so much for joining me for this yoga practice for sciatica. And if you like this, then please subscribe to my YouTube channel. And also, if you want more yoga, sign up for my 5-day bedtime yoga challenge for better sleep by clicking the first comment below.